Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my wash and go styling routine. A lot of you guys have been requesting it from some of my older videos like my lazy wash day video and my haircut video. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new. Let's go ahead and get into the video. The products I will be using are 4 products, some regular conditioner, leave-in, a scalp serum that I made myself, as well as flaxseed gel. If you guys want to know how I make my flaxseed gel and my scalp serum, go ahead and leave a comment below. But this first step is pretty obvious, and I know a lot of people always do it, but it's a good reminder. Always saturate your hair, fully saturate your hair with water. This is going to really help your hair hold on to moisture. And then the reason why I like to apply conditioner is because the conditioner helps to seal in the water and it creates a good base, kind of like primer for your hair, but like it's not makeup. I don't know if it makes sense to you guys, but we're gonna roll with it because it makes sense to me. Now, when you're applying your products, it's really important the order that you put them in. So make sure you go from lightest to heaviest. In this case, the gel is not heavier than the cream that I'm putting in my hair, but the gel is actually sealing in the cream and the serum. So it's important to put that step last. So what I do is I divide it into smaller sections. Then I start with my serum, I rub it into my scalp, then I put my cream, and then I seal it in with a gel. And then I like to finger curl my hair, but like in a very non-conventional way. I haven't really seen anybody do it like this. I like to wrap it around 2 fingers as opposed to 1 because the 2 fingers is a lot faster for me, and it also clumps my hair really well. When you clump your hair well, you get better definition and you also get thicker, chunkier looking curls, which I really like because I have very fine hair. When it comes to styling the front of my hair, I like to style it a little bit different. I like to style it forward because I feel like it falls better, and I also apply some clips very close to the root but not on it so that it's tight, because that's going to actually be painful. Just close to the root so that it creates a little bit of height and volume, because I prefer to air dry. So this is another trick that I like to use, is that I finger curl my hair on one side, and then after I'm done finger curling it, I just flip it over to the other side so that my hair doesn't stick to my scalp. You see how there's just like a little bit of a bump at the top? It's like really cute. It dries really pretty. So yeah, try it out. I really love that technique. Girl, we finally made it. Our hair is dry a gajillion hours later, but it's super crunchy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squish the crunch out of my hair. Instead of crunching my hair up, I just squish it. I feel like this way is better because it does not break up or disrupt my curls at all. I swing my hair around and I actually do like a little bit of a clapping technique as well. The final step, you are finally done, is to separate all of your hair. And this is a really important note. When you're separating your hair, make sure that you are pulling the hair apart where it naturally already wants to separate. You see a little gap and you can see just pull it out just like that. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I wish you guys all the love, light, and good vibes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. My head